Do you struggle with simple words in daily English conversations? Don't worry. Today, you will learn some easy vocabulary words that you can use every single day. Welcome to English Vocabulary Channel, where English learning becomes simple and fun. Today's video is all about daily use vocabulary for beginners, words you can start using immediately. Let's learn 8 to 10 simple daily vocabulary words with meaning plus example sentences. Word 1. Hungry. Meaning, wanting to eat. Example, I am hungry. Let's have lunch. Word 2. Tired. Meaning, needing rest or sleep. Example, I feel tired after work. Word 3. Happy. Meaning, feeling good or pleased. Example, she is happy with her new job. Word 4. Busy. Meaning, having a lot to do. Example, I'm busy today, let's talk tomorrow. Word 5. Friend. Meaning, a person you like and trust. Example, Ravi is my best friend. Word 6. Clean. Meaning, free from dirt. Example, please keep your room clean. Word 7. Cold. Meaning, having a low temperature. Example, it's cold outside, wear a jacket. Word 8. Hot. Meaning, having a high temperature. Example, the tea is too hot to drink. Today we learned hungry, tired, happy, busy, friend, clean, cold, and hot. Now it's your turn. Write one sentence using any of these words in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons.